When comfort matters, choose Platinum HVAC. From brand new installations to emergency repairs, we've got you covered. Heating systems to keep you warm in the winter. Air conditioning that beats the summer heat. And ventilation that keeps your air fresh and clean. We handle maintenance, tune-ups, and upgrades so your system works when you need it most. Energy-saving solutions, smart thermostats, air purification. At Platinum HVAC, every project comes with the trust of a family business and the quality you deserve. Platinum HVAC. Comfort you can feel. Service you can trust.